In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Save As PDF button in Microsoft Word. If you frequently save Microsoft Word documents as PDF files, you can make the process faster by adding a Save As PDF button to the Quick Access toolbar. This gives you quick access to the command whenever you need to save your document as a PDF. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you are working on. Now, look at the Quick Access toolbar near the top of the Word window. This is the small toolbar that contains commonly used commands. To add the Save As PDF command, click the small drop-down arrow on the Quick Access toolbar. This will open a menu with different customization options. From the menu, select More Commands. This will open the Word Options window and take you to the Quick Access toolbar settings. In the Choose Commands from drop-down menu, select All Commands. This will display a larger list of commands that you can add to the Quick Access toolbar. Now, look through the list and find the command related to saving the document as a PDF. Select the Save As PDF option from the list. Once the command is selected, click the Add button. The command will now be added to the list of commands on the Quick Access toolbar. After adding it, click OK to save your customization. Now look at the top of the Microsoft Word window again. You should see the new PDF command on the Quick Access toolbar. Whenever you want to save your Word document as a PDF, you can simply click this button instead of going through the menus each time. Depending on your version of Microsoft Word, the exact name of the command may look slightly different. The important part is to find the command that allows you to save or export the document as a PDF and add it to the Quick Access toolbar. This can save you time if you regularly create PDF versions of your Word documents. Once the button has been added, it will remain available on the toolbar, so you can access it whenever you need it. If you decide that you no longer want the button, you can return to the Quick Access toolbar customization settings and remove the command. So, by customizing the Quick Access toolbar and adding the Save As PDF command, you can make saving your Word documents as PDF files much quicker and easier. And that's how you can create a Save As PDF button in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,